Hello learners, myself Surbhi Karapurkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Ganpat Parsekar College of Education. I welcome you all for this course on exploring ethnomedicinal heritage in villages of Goa. In this course, we will be learning about plant description and medicinal uses of Acorus calamus, Adathoda vesica, Agale marmelis, Fumaria indica and Tinospora cordifolia. Let us begin with Acorus calamus. It belongs to family Acoracea. Its common name is sweet flag. Its Konkani name or vernacular name is Vaikhan. Its habit is herb. Parts which are used for medicinal purpose includes rhizome and roots of Acorus calamus. In Goa, many plants are used in various forms for its medicinal benefits. When it comes to medicinal uses of Acorus calamus, if one consumes a pinch of Vaikhan powder mixed with 1 teaspoon honey, then it helps to cure sore throat, cold and speech disorders. It is also used to cure skin infection and inflammations, for which poultice prepared by mixing Vaikhan powder in water is applied externally to cure skin infection and rheumatic pain and inflammation. Poultice prepared by mixing 1 teaspoon powdered root in 2 teaspoon cold coconut milk, and if it is applied to hair for half an hour and then rinsed off, then it is helpful in preventing hair loss. It also helps to stimulate blood circulation, metabolism and hormone secretion. Pinch of Vaikhan powder is mixed with 1 teaspoon honey and it should be consumed daily. Vaikhan also helps in improving memory power and intellect. It is considered as rejuvenator of nervous system. It also helps in treating insomnia and headaches. Next plant is Adathoda vesica. It belongs to family Acanthaceae. Its common name is Adulza. In Konkani, we call it Adulso. It is an evergreen shrub. Parts which are used for medicinal purpose mainly includes leaves. Its roots, flowers and stem bark are also used for various medicinal purposes. Medicinal uses includes a decoction of the leaves for the treatment of cough, sore throat and other symptoms of cold. Also, bath taken from warm water earlier boiled with leaves helps to cure cold and fever symptoms. A decoction of leaves is useful in treating bronchitis, asthma and other respiratory disorders. Steam of boiled water containing leaves also helps to cure respiratory disorders. Diarrhea and dysentery. If one consumes 1 tablespoon of fresh extract of leaves twice a day, then it helps in cure of diarrhea and dysentery. A decoction of the roots and leaves is used to control both internal and external bleeding of ulcers, piles and bleeding gums. Poultice of leaves is applied to cure wounds. Removal of intestinal parasites. If one consumes tablespoon of fresh extract of fresh leaves twice a day for 3 days, then it helps in controlling intestinal worms. Bath taken from warm water earlier boiled with leaves helps in treating of scabies and other skin diseases. Agale marmelis. It belongs to family Rutaceae. Its common name is bale. Its Konkani name is bale. It is a deciduous tree. Parts which are used for medicinal purpose mainly includes fruit pulp. Its leaves and bark are also used for various medicines. Taking juice of ripe bay fruit with pinch of salt and pepper helps in cure of digestive problems like diarrhea, stomach ulcers, constipation, etc. A glass of bay juice or a tablespoon of decoction of its bark every morning is beneficial for people suffering from diabetes. Poultice of leaves or bark is highly effective against skin infections. Bath taken from warm water, earlier boiled with leaves, helps in treating of scabies and other skin diseases. Poultice of leaves or bark helps in treating various types of hair problems like itching, dandruff, etc. Blood purification and immunity booster. Again, marmelis is considered as natural antioxidant. Decoction of stem or bark helps in lowering the levels of cholesterol of blood. Next plant is Fumaria indica. It belongs to family Fumaraceae, commonly known as Indian fumitory. Its Konkani name is Paripat or Porpoto. It is a herb. Entire plant is medicinally useful. Its medicinal uses includes a tablespoon of kada of fresh or dried paripat plant, if taken twice a day, can give relief from cold and fever. Extract of fresh leaves in buttermilk helps to cure jaundice and bilious headache. A tablespoon of cold infusion taken daily during morning time helps in cure of vertigo and gives relief from burning sensation of the body. Kada, decoction or hot infusion prepared out of dried paripat and raisins is helpful in treating constipation and piles problem. Paripat herb mixed with honey taken internally helps to prevent vomiting. Next plant is Ctenospora cordifolia. It belongs to family Menispermiaceae. It is commonly known as giloy or guduchi. Its Konkani name is Amrutveli. It is a climbing deciduous shrub. Whole plant holds medicinal uses. Medicinal uses of Ctenospora cordifolia. Regular consumption of giloy boosts up immunity. 3 to 4 tablespoons of decoction taken twice a day after meal helps to cure fever and cold. Taking 3 to 4 tablespoons of decoction of roots helps to prevent hyperacidity, worm infection, abdominal pain and vomiting. It helps to boost liver and kidney function if a cup of fresh juice of leaves is consumed. Regular consumption of 3 tablespoons juice of leaves helps in controlling diabetes. For recovery from skin ailments, poultice prepared from leaves and stem of Ctenospora cordifolia can be applied. These are the references. Thank you.